guys. Headed out to a backhoe. It's got a little oil leak. He sent me a couple pictures. I mean, it looks like an oil pressure sensor. So might just have to take it out, put a little Teflon on it, and be on his day. So we'll see what we got. Alright, so this is our culprit. Obviously it's a pressure sensor, but right there, that little hole seeping out of there. And to me, the temperatures has been colder around here lately, so that oil might have just been thick enough and it popped this oil pressure sensor. And you know, it's only rated from 55 to 82 kPa, which is, I don't know in PSI, but I mean, being that oil could have been thick and just pop this thing and just allowing it to seep out. So we're on the way to town and see if we can't find a new one. Alright. Got a new line. That's what we're working on. Pull back there. It's pretty sweet. 4-wheel drive. It's got a lot of problems. A bunch of leaking hoses and stuff. Can't stand the operator, don't put his bucket down there. But, anyways, here's where the line goes. Goes there, comes down, routes into that block, comes back down, and goes to this valve body right here. It's for one of the outriggers. Let's see here. Let's see if you can tell. Yeah, right up in there. So I got to spin it up in there first. Now I got to twist it around and get it looped around. Well, let's see what we're getting for our tool today. I think I need this, some adjustables, and some angle wrenches. Alright guys, this is it for this one. Had to replace this hose for outrigger. Had to put an oil sensor in it. There's an old one, just old, man. It was the original one. Put a little oil in her and put a little hydraulic fluid in her. Damn. So much right here's about to come fuck apart. You see this? They'll let them know about that. 10-4. I hope y'all having a good week. We'll see ya.